I've worked with a variety of ESP32-based displays and HMI panels over the years, but the Elecrow CrowPanel Advanced 7-inch immediately stood out to me as a step above the rest. After spending a few days building and testing projects with it, I can say that this isn't just another development screen. It feels like a true next-generation HMI platform that bridges hardware flexibility, AI integration, and developer-friendly tools. Right out of the box, the CrowPanel Advance makes a strong impression. The 7-inch IPS panel with 800 by 480 pixels resolution is bright, clear, and has excellent color reproduction. Thanks to its 178 degrees wide viewing angle, the display remains sharp no matter how I positioned it on my workbench. The capacitive touch panel was smooth and highly responsive. Touch inputs felt instantaneous, with no lag or misreads. Another standout feature is the replaceable wireless module design. The ability to swap in modules supporting Zigbee, LoRa, Matter, Thread, NRF 2401, and Wi-Fi 6 gives the CrowPanel incredible versatility. Knowing I can reconfigure the panel for different projects, whether it's industrial IoT, smart agriculture, or off-grid networking, is a huge advantage. The Elecrow CrowPanel Advanced 7-inch HMI ESP32-S3 is more than just an upgrade to the basic series. It feels like an entirely new class of embedded display. With its powerful processor, AI voice integration, modular wireless design, and developer-friendly ecosystem, it opens the door to applications far beyond typical hobby projects.